Were. Were is a very difficult word to sound out. So I'm going to give you a saying to help you remember how to spell were. Now you can hear it starts with a woo. Okay, so that's easy. Were. Now it's followed by an E. Were elephants. There's a R, were. You can actually hear it. Racing eggheads. Were elephants racing eggheads? That will help you remember how to spell the word were because it's difficult to sound out. Were elephants racing eggheads? How do you spell were at the spelling bee? W-E-R-E. W-E-R-E. Were elephants racing eggheads?